Do you hate doing lives? It's Patti Allred here, and I just want to let you know that you're not by yourself. I hate doing lives, doing videos. I hate freaking having my picture made. Can I get a witness? Is there anybody else out there with those same feelings? But what I want to tell you today is, as a 57-year-old Mimi, who has been in this side hustle business for 32 years, actually more, you don't have to do lives. You don't have to do videos. You don't even have to put your face out there to actually make money online. Can I get a yes? But if I could show you a way that you could actually do that, is that something that you would be interested in? Stay to the end if it is, and I'll give you the information. But I want to just let you know a little bit about me. I teach things differently because I am me. I have to be me. I can't be anybody else. And when I try to be, and yes, I have tried to be, I screw things up. I really do. And I'll probably screw this one up too, but you know what? It's okay. And I've finally given myself permission to be okay with that. But as I mentioned, I'm 57. Excuse me, I'm a Mimi. I've been married for 36 years or 37, something like that. But what I really want to do is help take a load off of your shoulders. Are you tired of not having enough money to pay the bills, or tired of your job, or this COVID crap that's keeping you bogged down? I want to help you take a load off. I truly do. Look, I have been doing this thing for a long time. I actually started before the internet was here. So I've got several side hustles under my belt that I feel like at least one of them would be something good for you. But I have already done the work. I've already done the work for you. And this is where it comes in, with the whole reason behind this is I've done the grunt work. So you're welcome. If you are looking to make money online or to move your business to another level, I've got some things that I can show you, and you can check and see if it's something that would be a fit for you. I'm talking about not having to have a website, or not talking, I'm talking about getting some free traffic and not having to do the lives. So if I have your attention now, then keep watching. If this is not for you, it's okay. Just have a great day. But I want to ask you this. Think back to where you were a year ago. Have things changed? Now think about this. If you continue to keep doing the things that you're doing, the same way that you're doing every day, where will you be a year from now? I like to stop and think about that because it kind of opens up your brain and makes you realize that, there probably some changes need to be made. And I say this with love because I care for you. My success, it doesn't depend on other people. It doesn't, do I want you to join me on my journey? Heck yeah. But what I want you to do more than that is to choose happy and to be happy. And that's with whatever makes you happy. And that looks different to all of us, and that's okay. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to look at a free web class that that I was just recently on. And it's actually something that I looked at years ago. And it's blowing my mind. Now, it's different than it was from several years ago, and I guess that wasn't the right time for me to use it. But past few months or maybe past year or so, I've been using it, and I'm very thankful that it's back here. I'm back using it. It is a free free web class. All you got to do is sign up for it. Yes, there will be an offer at the end. Now, whether you take that offer or not, that's totally up to you. You can get enough information from this web class to help you move forward in your business for free, okay? So, you know, you have nothing, absolutely nothing to lose by jumping on that. So I want you to just actually just go see for yourself. You know, I've told you a little bit about myself. I have told you that I hate doing lives. I have told you that you don't actually have to do lives or get on camera to make money online, and that's okay. You can if you want to. I do it for you. I usually don't go back and watch my lives because I'm like, oh no, did I really look like that? Anyway, it's completely up to you if you want to go check out this amazing web class that I'm talking about. And it's new things. It's things that will help you. I don't care what kind of business you have. If it's brick and mortar or online, you owe it to yourself. Hey, you know what? I'm going to sit down with this web class with my grandson, and we're going to do that. They're not teaching this stuff in school. Not at all. So, we can step it up a notch with that and help people out that are desperately needing our help. Whatever you choose, I want you to choose happy, because that's what matters in the end. I want to thank Angela and Galit for having me here. If you have not checked out their mentoring programs or some of the things that they've got going on, Angela actually has a Pinterest beta class that just started yesterday, and it's banging. Listen, invest in yourself. If you don't get anything else from it, invest in yourself. Whether you invest with me on my journey or you invest with somebody else, just make sure they're the right person for you. Choose happy and remember that you are worth it. And I love you. It's Patti Allred here. I'll put a link below where you can check out or sign up for the next free webinar, web class, and go from there. You make it a great day.